in this video image map in HTML5. Okay, what is the image map in HTML5? So let's start with image map. Image map means what? An image with multiple hyperlinks. One image contain a multiple hyperlink. Hyperlink means what? What do you mean by hyperlink in HTML? Yes, hyperlink means whenever I want to join one or two web pages or I want to connect the web pages, that time the hyperlink is used. Okay, so the image itself contains the multiple hyperlinks. It is called as image map. Image map is used to connect link to different regions on the web page. Okay, an image map is created by marking certain regions on image clickable. These regions are called hotspots. Okay, so what screen? Client-side image map. Now we will see which tags are used for client-side image map. The tags are img tag. Okay, second is map tag. Third, area tag. Okay, these are the tags are used for client-side image map. Now we will see the first tag, that is img tag. All you know, we used img tag to insert image on web page. To create client-side image map, use map attribute used along with the img tag. Okay, like this you have to use img tag. Then there is an attribute of client-side image map. For client-side image map, we use map is equal to double quotes hash. Okay, the image map use map attribute of img is used with a value which is preceded with hash symbol. This is a hash symbol, and you can assign any name here. Okay, use map attribute act as a pointer which indicates that image is client side image map. Okay, the use map is act as a pointer which indicates that image is act as a pointer which indicates the image is a client side image map. Okay, and how to write img use map is equal to double quotes hash. You can give any name here. I have given my map, double quotes complete. Now this same name we will use in map tag. So it is pointer that which map we are going to use for our client side image mapping. Okay, so let's see the next tag, map tag. It has only one attribute, name. It specifies name of image used for client side image map. The value of name attribute, listen carefully, the value of name attribute is the value specified in use map attribute of img tag. So what it means, the value of name attribute here, what is the value of name attribute? My map is a value specified in use map attribute of img tag here. Okay, this is the use of map and img. Okay, img tag is used to insert the image on web page, and to create client side image map, use map attribute is used. In this way you can write the use map attribute, img use map is equal to hash my map. And map, it has only one attribute, name. It specifies the name of the image for client side image map. And how to write map name is equal to map name. Revise it. Now let's start next. Next tag is area tag. Area tag defines a clickable region. Clickable region means one image contains the different clickable region. Can be a circle, can be a polygon or rectangle. So this is a clickable region, or this is a particular area which had some hyperlink. Okay, so area tags defines a clickable region. A given map element can contain multiple area elements within it. Okay, and area tag is singular and map tag is paired. Means map is going to close by hash map, but area tag, it is a singular tag, it has no closing tag. Okay, there are different attributes of area tag. What are the attributes? href, shape, chords and alt. href, hypertext reference, defines URL, shape, circle, direct or poly. These are only three possible values. We don't have to write rectangle, we have to write rect. For polygon, we have to write POLY, poly. Okay, next chords. It specifies the coordinates of clickable region on image map. Means, for example, if the coordinates is for circle, the shape is circle, then coordinates is only 3 coordinates will come for circle. Okay, center point and radius. For rectangle, diagonal points. So 4 points will come. Polygon, all the points. So like this, we have to put the coordinates. Next, alt. It specifies the extra information about clickable area. Means, if you want to give the extra information about this area, you can write in alt. It is optional. Okay, so these are all attributes of area tag. Got it? So as per the syntax, first which tag will come? First we have to write the img tag. Okay, first which tag will come? img tag. Then map tag. After that, in map we have to use area tag. You can use multiple area tag to define the clickable region. Area tag is singular. It has no closing tag. And after all the area tag, we have to close the map tag. That is the syntax. Okay. So there are two types of image map, client-side image map and server-side image map. We are going to see how to write the client-side image map. In the client-side image map, there are three tags are used: img tag, map tag and area tag. Area tag has 4 attributes: href, shape, chords and alt. Map tag only one attribute, name. And img tag, we use the attribute use map. Okay, that is the all description of client-side image map. Now we will see the program and output. So you will come to know. Okay. See here. Let's see the program of client-side image map. See the program of client-side image map in HTML5. This is the first line of HTML5, doc type HTML, HTML tag, body tag, h1 tag, some sentence in h1 tag, an example of image map, h1 tag, close. Now, very important, use img tag. What is the source of that img tag? Desert.jpg. Where this desert present? Here on desktop, my file is here and the desert image you can see on screen here. And item type is showing JPEG image. So the extension you will write as .jpg. See here, you have to copy the name from here in properties and see here type of file is .jpg. So we have to put the extension .jpg like this. Okay. So here it is desert.jpg. Now use map like this. Use map is equal to, follow the syntax. It is preceded by hash. So hash, assign some name, my map, alt is equal to image. Alternative text is image. You can put any alternative text. After that, map tag, map name is equal to my map. Same name, because this map is for only which image. It is a pointer that's showing it is the mapping for which image, my map image. So where the my map use map attribute is equal to my map is equal to hash my map. Okay, so map name is equal to double quotes my map. Put the same name if it is here M capital or any other special description is there. Put the same letter, same words here. Then only it will point. It will find this my map on which particular image. Now area tag. There are 4 attributes of area tag. Which are the attribute? href, shape, chords and alt. Okay. Here we used href is equal to, now what I have given, some website link. href is equal to some website link. Shape is equal to, there are only 3 values of shape, rect, circle, poly. So shape is rect. Chords is equal to 0, 0, 93, 65. Okay. When we get lecture, I will tell you how to find the coordinates. Okay. So these are the coordinates for rectangle. Next, as area tag is singular tag, it has no closing tag. There can be multiple area tag under map tag. So area href is equal to, here is some file, source file map. Another notepad file is present. That notepad file is saved with extension source file map.html. Okay. Shape is equal to circle and chords is equal to 118, 140, 40. 118, 140, this is center points, 40 is a radius. Whenever we will discuss about rectangle, these 4 points means your diagonal points of rectangle. For circle, center points and radius. And for polygon, all the points. Okay, polygon can be any shape. So any shape, triangle can be any shape. So it is what? Your polygon. So again in polygon I have given href is equal to abc.html. The file is not there on screen. Shape is equal to poly. Chords is equal to, these are the all points, map tag close, body close and HTML close. Let's save this file. Now see here how to run the program. Okay. Before that I will show you one source file I have created. The source file name is source file map.html. Okay, what is the content inside? You can see the content here. No content, just a doc type HTML, HTML body, and this is a source page for circle shape on for client side image map, nothing. And where the reference is given, where this file reference is given, see here, this file reference is given in href source for circle, source file map.html. Remember the name, source file map.html. Okay. So let's run this program. I will show you what is client side image map. Now you can see the image on screen. Everybody can see the image on screen. As per the title, what is given, an image map is given. Okay. After that, img tag. imgsrc is equal to desert.jpg. You can see the desert image here. Okay. Next, use map is equal to my map, and map is started as a my map. Areas, we have specified 3 areas: rectangle, circle and polygon. Okay, so let's see here. When I move my cursor over the image, certainly it is changed arrow to the finger. See here, can you see? Means the hyperlink is present on here. When I move again, it is an arrow. Okay, when I again move, it is showing that there is a hyperlink. The coordinates are matched and there is a hyperlink, means it contains some file. Okay, and when you go to down here, okay, just go to the down and see. Everybody look the bottom of your screen. It is showing file, C, users, desktop and source file map.html. Okay, means it is a hyperlink for source file map.html. When I again move, it is again showing here arrow, and again it is showing that www.google.com, where I have given reference www.google.com. Here I have given, okay, www.google.com. For which shape I have specified this? Yes, for which shape I have specified google.com? For rectangle shape, and source file map for circle. Now how we will see this kind of images? Okay, again I move, no link is there. Yes, here it is showing abc.html. abc file is not present. Okay, but it's showing it is a link for abc.html. Okay, so when you see the screen on desktop, what you will do, you will press the tab key from the keyboard. I'm pressing the tab key. Look here, after pressing tab key, it's showing the shape. It is a rectangle shape. Again, when I go to this rectangle shape, when I click here, what is the reference I will give? I have given, when I got the rectangle, I have specified the coordinates. When the coordinates are matched, what is the hypertext reference is given in that area? www.google.com. Okay, I will back. Again, I will press the tab key. Rectangle का हो गया आपका करके. Next tab key. You can see this circle. When I again click on circle, when I click, what I will get? This is a source page for circle shape on client side image map. The contents I have given in source file map.html. This is another file present on desktop. Okay, and it is a clickable region. It is a clickable region. When I move the pointer here, it is not a clickable region. Within that shape, the regions are clickable, and it shows some hyperlink. Okay, again back, press the tab key, again press tab key. Yes, it is showing the polygon shape. When I move, no link is present. When I am inside the shape, it shows some link. Click here. Now it is showing no file not found, because the abc.html is not present. Okay, let's make the file abc.html. See here, where I have given the abc file, here abc.html, href for polygon shape. So create new file. Some content I have given, body close, html close, file save. Now here write abc.html save. Now what will happen? Again, if I run this program, tab key, See here what it shows now. This is file for polygon shape. Back. Click here. The Google will come. Again, click here. It shows another file which contain. This is a source page for circle shape on for client side image map. Okay. Now I don't want to give the reference for ABC. I want some other website name. So what I will do, I will open with again Notepad. Okay. And right here, instead of the ABC, I will put here hypertext reference as some website name again. The website is http:// okay, file, save. Can you see? It is showing the Maharashtra State Board website because I've given the hypertext reference as State Board website. Okay, so this is the image mapping.